wobbly.
Oh, this is nice! Guys, this is godly!
Oh god, sorry. I'm so sorry. I haven't really. So, is there any tips for skiing this kind of powder? Because I feel myself turning. Like,
Don't lean back, it doesn't actually help.
okay.
And you need to jump turn.
Okay. This is really.
Keep going, Caitlin.
It's not too steep either.
Yeah.
Where's Daniel going?
No idea.
Fabulous.
I see Daniel. Woohoo!
We good?
Everyone good?
I'm tired. Fuck me. How long is this?
Woo!
2 minutes so far.
It's gonna be a long run.
I'm going through this middle.
There was so much fucking snow here.
Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Fucking woo! This is sick!
Yeah, this is fun.
Did
you fall?
Nah. This is 100% worth the camera.
Yeah.
Is you alright? Yeah.
This is really quite. I'm fucking tired. This is really nice.
Yeah.
Looking good.
We
Oh,
good?
yeah, Caitlin.
Thanks, guys.
Is everyone alright?
Oh, bye-bye.
Caitlin, do you need a moment or are you good?
No, I'm good to go.
Good lead camera?
I take my own moments so then when I'm here, I'll get the pizza.
Woo-hoo! Oh, my lady legs! Woohoo! Oh, sheesh! Oh, sheesh! I can feel my finger bleeding.
Shit.
The camera's falling though. Guys, got me a weirdness there. I hit some powder and I screamed, oh, my lady legs, and it's on video.
Almost a fucking tree.
Yeah. How we all feeling?
Holy
I'm
shit.
pretty tired.
I am fucking beat.
Do you need a moment?
Yeah. Just a little one.
Yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
let me go then because I'm slower. I can.
Oh, shit.
I'm fitter than you fucks.
Yeah, me too.
Holy shit.
I actually feel extraordinary. Remember, Caitlin, tits down the mountain.
Fuck, look at Daniel.
Yeah.
He looks so good. Oh, God. You want me to go first?
Yeah.
Cool. I'm coming behind you.
Good call. Holy bejesus. Oh! I need help.
Do you want to just, can you get into position or tighten it?
Pardon?
Or tighten?
Yeah.
Come towards me.
I can't see right now. Yeah, you can go through there. It's nice.
That should be okay.
What? Okay.
Wait, that's a bit too much, I think. Maybe it's
Okay.
fine.
I'm filming.
Nice.
Woo! Sure. Yeah. Yeah, that is way too high. It's good for filming them.
Yeah, that's what I thought too. That's gotta be.
Me too. I'm ready to get out of here.
Woo! I love how you hit it as well.
I almost died because I hit a log under the snow I couldn't see.
Is it tight? Because when you
Yeah,
move
it's
that.
tight.
Oh, jeez. This feels like the exit to Jupiter.
Guys.
I am so tired.
Caitlin. I love skiing! Oh my beauty! Ho ho! Sweet baby Jesus! Oh God! Woo! Daniel. Where's Caitlin? Where?
There's nothing we can do, Cameron.
There is.
I tightened it.
You didn't. I need to get one of those tightening bolts.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is long.
I cannot catch my breath. I'm so tired.
Do you need a moment?
Between like scaring the shit out of myself with Barry's log. Dude, it just goes on forever.
Are you hitting the fresh powder, Daniel?
I can see why people do these.
Yeah. This is heavenly. Woo! Go through this powder.
Huh?
Go through. Oh, not.
What?
Don't worry.
Did you see the Gatorade bottle?
No, I did not.
It's just sitting there.
Where's Daniel?
Ahead.
Cool.
Oh, fuck me.
Oh.
Caitlin,
Hello. What?
you're doing a really good job,
Thanks so much.
but your legs should be less compressed, more pistoned. So
Nice.
what's happening is, this is you bending, you're kind of always just going like this.
Up and down.
Instead you should be like,
Okay.
Absorbing each turn.
Good shout. I'll try it.
I'm going through the middle here.
it's basically, have like a couple of
The road is down here, be careful.
What?
The road's here, be careful.
There's a road.
Road, a flat. Nice. Be careful hitting the road.
Oh.
Go on an angle.
Good shout.
Ads, be careful on the road.
On the road?
Go flat, go on an angle. Make sure you turn right, hard right. Yeah, nice. Where did Daniel go? Daniel? I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah. East way out. This seems good. I don't want to have to hike.
Oh, true. That was
Best run of the season so far.